Hello, I will be talking about the statistical process control. The statistical process control is a form of quality control which uses the standard normal distribution curve to detect anomalies. This chart that you see here is called a control chart. It essentially is a normal distribution curve turned on the side, and rather than having each value on the x-axis and how often it occurs on the y-axis, you have time on the x-axis and the value that you are trying to control on the y-axis. Then in the center, which is the green line, you have what is your target value, and then on the top and the bottom you have these red lines here, which are your control limit, which is the maximum acceptable variance in the value. Now, what this enables you to do is to create a line graph from these values, and then you are quickly able to recognize trends that may happen over time as a result of this process. Then you are able to make adjustments in your process if you see that there is a trend that causes your process to give you results that are outside of the range that you deem acceptable. In civil engineering, one way that the statistical process control is utilized is in monitoring vibrations. When vibrations get too strong, they can cause damage to structures. So, in industries such as construction, they often monitor vibrations when there is construction near structures that may be susceptible to damage, particularly when they're doing certain activities that can cause a lot of vibrations, such as installing sheet piles, which is what you see here in this picture with all the machinery. The way that the monitors use the statistical process control is that they create a line graph of vibrations over time, and there are both positive and negative values for vibrations that they use as their critical limit, and 0 is their target value in the center. If the values for the vibrations fall outside of their critical limit, then they risk causing damage to nearby structures, and so the process that they are doing is changed in order to lower that risk and also to lower the vibrations. Thank you very much for your time, and that is it.